Alright, so click start it. Hey guys, I'm gonna make a little quick moto vlog here, just kind of test out my improv audio setup that I have going on. Basically, I just have my iPhone headphones inside of my helmet, and I don't know if it's just my helmet or what's the deal, but my helmet seems like it has a lot of wind in it, so I'm interested to see how good the audio quality ends up turning out on this. You know what, I better stop right here real quick next to my Chicks Ninja and see what's the deal. Make sure I'm recording audio. Duh, I'm recording audio. Alright, so anyways, I think you'll notice I got a different GoPro setup than most people. Have the helmet cam, and I might try the helmet cam out, but I don't know. I think this angle's cool because when you're flicking the bike around and stuff, it's following the bike instead of your head. So we'll see what it ends up looking like, and you guys could give me some feedback on that. So I pretty much just got my Ninja 250. It has 2,600 miles on it, and when I first got it, it had 1,500. So I've had it for about 3 weeks, so I've been really putting it on the pavement. Right now I'm going 32 miles per hour, so we'll see what the audio quality is like there. My little road out of my apartment's kind of rough. And this is loop 1604. So I should be able to... and see what it do, what it don't do, what it do. So illegal turnaround. So let's go put this inside and check out the audio quality. So stay tuned for my next episode of How to Teach Your Girlfriend How to Ride a Ninja 250. Squid life!